presence of the holy angels and in the presence of the Lamb. The smoke of their torment ascendeth up forever and ever, and they have no rest day nor night, who worship the beast and his image, and whosoever receiveth the mark of his name. Here is the patience of the saints. Here are they that keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus.
And I found the original.
And I said, are you sure?
No man could know that song of 144,000 which were redeemed in Jesus' banner. These are they which were not defiled with women. They are good. These are they which follow the Lamb with the sword and yoke. These were redeemed from among men, being the first fruits of the harvest.
I was quite intrigued and I started trying to search about major London Stevens.
Is ripe. And he that sat on the cloud thrust in his sickle on the earth, for her grapes are fully ripe. And the angel thrust in his sickle into the earth, and gathered the vine of the earth, and cast it into the great winepress of the wrath of God.